headphones?
Say something.
Can you hear me through the headphones? Put them both in.
No, if I put them both, then I won't be able to hear when you're telling me something.
Yeah?
Go
Can
ahead.
you hear me?
I'm hearing you.
Yeah, see, there's no meter. That's why you need the headphones.
Go ahead, I'm hearing you.
All right, don't stop it because this is because I've said how our growing pains. Here's our growing pains. So. Looks very finished. This would work because look at how big this door is. We're looking for. I want to go in the back and see if there's a garage door that we can
This
open
way.
up. Huh? This way to the back? Ah. Okay, maybe it'll be this one too. Hopefully we can get one instead of both. Well, I like that first one better. Oh, see now there might be. Oh, look at that. Come here. This is actually pretty good. You see that? See that big door and the ramp right there? This is good.